Hey boys and girls, hi. This is Ted and this is Ride with Ted. Welcome back to the channel. Good to see y'all again. Not that I can see you, but you know what I mean. Out on sugar again. Oh, I just love riding this bike. The Heritage Classic. The greatest motorcycle Harley Davidson has ever created. Maybe the Sportster. Ah. Anyway, so here I am out on the bike again, and I know I usually do like every other ride with the Sportster, but I just felt like taking sugar out again. It's my girl. So what's been going on? Well, you know, we're still reeling from the whole mom thing, but other than that, just doing a lot of stuff. Working, when I, working as in, narrating books. Yeah. So I'm in the midst of a fiction book right now, which I don't ordinarily do. It's a fiction book. It's a Western, and it requires me, regrettably, to do some voice acting. I have to come up with voices for some of the characters, and it's weird. It's very weird. I feel weird doing it, but hey, it's taken me a lot longer. This is the longest book I have ever done. This book is 53 chapters. I am more than halfway at this point, and it's just taken me a long time. I hope to finish it within the next week or so. That's where we're at with that. Other than that, I mean, I've been doing drawings for my brother-in-law, who's ex-brother-in-law. I don't know what he is, actually. But I've been doing construction drawings for him on the computer, doing some CAD work, and not much else. Been doing some gaming, but that's what I wanted to talk about with you guys. I don't know. Are you guys gamers? Do you guys play games at all? I mean, not board games. Well, board games are fun. I haven't played any board game in years, oh my god. But I'm talking about computer games. Now, some people are console players. I understand that. It's like when I'm not... Okay, let me ask this question. When you're not riding your motorcycle, when you're not working for a leisurely, recreational kind of thing, just an escape, do you play video games? I do. So it's fun. Several years ago, actually it'd be 8 years ago, 8 years ago, 7, 8 years ago, my brothers and I got into this game called PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. PUBG for short. And it's what they call a battle royale. After you set up your character, and the game is free to play. You just gotta, I think you have to, I don't know if you have to buy the game anymore. It's free to play though. So what ends up happening is after you get into the game, there's 100 players. Depending upon the map, there's several different maps. And the idea is to last one standing, right? It's like last man standing kind of a thing. It's either a first-person shooter or it's a third-person shooter. You can play with a squad of up to 4 people. You can play duo. You could play a one-man squad where you go up against up to four other players, or 4 other, teams of 4, up to 4 players. Or you could play solo. You could play duo. It depends. It's entirely up to you. But what happens is You get into what they call the lobby. Once you're in the lobby with your squad or solo, they'll ordinarily is 100 players total. So there'll be 99 other players. Now, depending upon the map you're on, some of them will be bots, robots. They'll be bots. They'll be, yeah, that's what they'll be. And if they are, it kind of makes it kind of kooky fun, but it's fun anyway. So now you're battling against other people from all around, I'll say, the world, but they have different markets. They have Asia, they have North America, they have South America, they have Europe. So you're going to be playing against people from anywhere, who knows where, but most of the time you're going to be playing, if you're in the United States, you're going to be playing on the North American server. So you're going to go up against, you know, up to 100 players, some of whom may be bots or not. And the idea, of course, you got to pick your weapons, and you got to pick up your ammunition, outfit yourself with a backpack, a helmet, and some armor, you know, level 1, level 2, level 3 vest, level 1, level 2, or level 3 backpack, or what they call a jammer pack, or a level 1, level 2, 3 helmet. And the idea is just to go out there and, you know, find a good loadout that works for you, the type of weapon you want to use, handgun, rifle, sniper rifle, what they call a SMG, which is like an Uzi or something like that, or you get a AR, you know, like an AK-47 or an M16 or an M4, things like that. Then you got your sniper rifles. But anyway, the idea of that game is to get in your battle. So now, my brothers and I, we usually get into the game, you know, it varies, but usually around 8:30, not every night, but maybe I'll just add this, maybe 2-3 times a week. And we play for an hour and a half to 2 hours. We'll usually get in 3 to 6 games, depending on how much we suck. And we have won a few games. We have won quite a few games. We've come in second a boatload of times, and it's fun. I laugh my ass off when I play this game, only because it's just some funny shit happens. I just laugh my ass off. It's a fun game. Now, other guys are playing Call of Duty, various forms of Call of Duty. The original Call of Duty 1, Call of Duty 2, this is back a long time ago. I played those. They were single player, then they moved on to multiplayer. They were good. I really liked them for the time, but I can't get into Call of Duty now. The Modern Warfare and what's the other one called? The Ghost Recon or whatever. I just can't get into them for some reason. The graphics are wonderful. The gameplay is really frantic in those games to me. Other games like Fortnite, I just no. I tried to play it, but it's very cartoony, and the gameplay is very fast. You have to build things. You have to. I don't know. No, thank you. I have no interest in that. So, I did try to play it, and within 2 games, I decided that it wasn't for me. Other games that I've tried playing that I kind of, you know, like Skyrim. I've tried playing that for a while. It was entertaining. It's like you waste away some hours if you want. And I've also tried this other game called, actually I can't remember the name of it. It's like a winter survival game where you're in charge of this colony and you have to try to keep everybody alive. And it's winter. I'm like, yeah. I really like the racing games. As you saw, once I did the motorcycle, it's called Ride 5. I really enjoyed that. It's a lot of fun. Man, it's really, 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 it can be difficult. So I like that. It was a lot of fun. I just don't have the proper gaming tools for that. Man, I should have the steering wheel, brakes, and things like that. Car racing games, I love those. They're a lot of fun. But again, because I don't have the steering wheel and the gas pedal, brake shifter, things like that, it's just not as fun. But I really enjoyed those. One of my favorite types of video games to play is, well, of course, the Battle Royale that I play with my brothers. But the other one, what I really love to play is, that I haven't played in a long time, is aircraft games. Games where you fly. And they're just so much fun. DCS is the latest and greatest. I used to do air warfare, and I used to do Microsoft. So, but anyway, yeah, if watch some, there's a YouTube channel called Growling Sidewinder, and he plays that game, DCS. It's air. Watch some of those videos, and it's astounding. Just the graphics are fantastic, and just the gameplay itself is challenging, but at the same time it's fun. But I do the gaming thing as a release, and also it gives me an opportunity to hang out with my brothers for a couple hours. It's a lot of fun. So if you ever want to play PUBG with me and my brothers, let me know. I'll hook you up. We go through Steam. If you go onto Steam and download the game, and you can fire it up from there, or you can just download the game and play that way. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy playing it. We're probably going to play tonight, in fact. Oh man, but I tell you, it's a nice release. So if you ever want to play games with us, let me know. What games do you like to play? I did. What's the other one? Uncharted. I played that on console, a PS4. I played that Uncharted. A lot of fun. I don't like third-person games because perspective-wise, I just can't do it. I mean, like, it weirds me out. So I like to play first-person, but in, like, Uncharted, it is a third-person game. I got used to it after a while, but I played the entire Uncharted series. A lot of fun. Also on PS4, I played, Gran Turismo. I played Gran Turismo for a while. I didn't do well with that. I played it a lot just as whenever time I used to go up to my farm in upstate New York, I would put that on. I would goof off with that. It was a lot of fun. What other games did I play on that? That was pretty much it. I mean, back in the day, Return to Castle Wolfenstein, all the Wolfenstein series, I played those. I played Doom for a while. Oh God, we're talking back in the 90s, I was playing with my brothers Duke Nukem, and it was a lot of fun. And then the developers took several years to come out with the latest Duke Nukem, and it was horrible. It was so bad. But anyway, yeah, the gaming is a lot of fun. I mean, I like to play. There's some challenging games in there. I'm not so much into their survival kind of games. Like the NPC games, non-player character games, like Warcraft, and where you have to, you're a wizard or you're whatever the case may be. I just can't get into those games. I don't know why, but I just can't get into those games. Who knows? So I'm real picky about my games that I play. I like games to be entertaining. I like them to be fun. And I want to laugh if possible. So that's what I do. And, with a lot of these games, the more powerful your computer is, the better. I mean, some guys may play the game on a laptop. I don't know. I would never. I mean, I have played it on my laptop. When I would travel, I would play the game on my laptop, and it's a different feel when you do that. But yeah, so that's that. Motorcycle stuff, I really got nothing going on except for what you see right now. I really don't. You know, got the helmet squared away. The last video you saw. That's it. I'm very busy doing the narration stuff, and I got another job that's waiting for me to do, so I'll do that. But I'm going to plan to do some sort of a ride in September. Nothing fantastic. I got no money. I'm broke, so I'll probably do something that'll, you know, I'm still considering. I still want to do a saddle sort, so maybe that'll be what I do next. Maybe I'll do the saddle sort, and there's a couple other things I want to do with both this bike and with the Tuck, my Sportster. So I don't know, we'll see. All right, I'll figure something out. But yeah, probably in September I'm gonna do some sort of a ride. Just life has been extremely busy, crazy, as you can imagine. I don't know if I'm going to have to go up to New Jersey anytime soon, but time will tell. Well, that's it, boys and girls. That's all I got. Thanks for coming along for this little ride. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, hey, look, if you play a game, let me know what it is. And if you play the same games that I do, or me and my brothers do, you're welcome to join us. All right. Again, kids, thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Comment. I respond to your comments always. So comment. And you be good. You ride safe. Stay out of trouble. Or cause trouble. Be trouble. No. Bye, kids. Peace out.